show me your point finger. Where's your point finger? Okay, now we're gonna use our finger to make a letter. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, can you make an A? Yeah, deep in. You see this? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yes. You know, A, you can say eh. So yes, say
Eh.
yes. And B, 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 B. Say B.
B.
Yes, B. What sound that the C make?
Here.
C, K, K, K. Okay. C, K, K. Yes, next D. Alright, listen. D. Give me your point finger. Okay, D. Clear. Alright. And a free curve. Try to make this.
Here.
D. We did. What the E make the sound?
The.
Yes. F. 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 Where F make the sound? F. Okay.